What's going on, kid family? Just woke up here. We had a crazy night last night with some friends. Anyway, this cat rolled by today and he dropped off some of the gear.
I got parts for you guys.
Some of the gear for the summer project for the well-known YouTube famous on the Civic. Alright guys, we had a special delivery here for some of the parts for the project 2018 in the summer. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, see what we got so far. We don't got all the parts, but they're slowly coming in. So let's check these out, what came in the mail. So these are actually not for my project. It's for another project we're doing on a 2009 Hyundai Accent, but these are front sway bar endlings. Oh, this is heavy. It's got some weight. Alright, now we got some parts for the Civic here. We got the outer tie rod ends. And I'm just gonna show you guys how this looks like up close. My tie rod ends are going bad. They are leaking some grease, so it's time to replace them with something newer. And a lot of people get alignments after they get tie rod ends done, but there's a way you can do it without getting alignment, and you can maintain the same kind of specifications you had with the factory ones. So this is how it looks like. You got a ball joint in there, some lube, some thread. We might end up painting this black. We'll see if we feel like it. But this is it. They're both, there's one left one, one right one. So the next thing we got here is the valve cover gasket with Sparkplug gaskets. We definitely want to install a new gasket all around. I did try in the past to reuse valve cover gaskets with no success. It's really a pain in the ass. So definitely pick a new one up. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be unboxing these videos or these products as they come. Thank you.